Hello everybody, Paul Sherry RVs. We have a 2011 Forest River Cherokee. The model is a 26L and it is a 2-door entry, rear living room travel trailer, half-ton towable, and of course Forest River makes a great product. This is the Cherokee 26-foot travel trailer with 2 doors. Really nice features. As you can see, we have diamond plating on the front to resist rock chips as you're towing. A pass-through storage. Has the big propane bottles that we fill for you and put a battery on board. Again, double door entry. The front door is to your walk-around queen bed, and I'll show you more when we get in there. There we go, let's head back out. Steel rims, easy lube axles. It has a manual awning and manual leveling jacks. Again, the model number is a 26L. Nice clean camper. Cherokee is a really good name brand. It's got the full slide out, deep slide out. And again, it's a mom and pop travel trailer, rear living room. When all the kids are gone, this is the perfect trailer to go. Walk-in door, you have 2 rockers, a nice sofa that lays in the bed, and a dinette that lays down on the bed. So we have the nice pleated shades. And the rear living room. Nice big window in the back for viewing. We have a sink extension, double sink. There we go. We have a 3-burner stove with oven. The Dometic double door refrigerator freezer. Microwave. Air conditioning. AM/FM CD player. Here we go, we'll walk in the bedroom, front queen bedroom. We have wardrobes on both sides and across the top. Of course, that's the second door entry. Nice linoleum flooring. Nice foot flush stool. Tub, shower, and natural skylight for extra headroom. Nice big sink in the restroom. Good counter space. Coat rack, towel rack. Very nicely set up. Extra clean. No odors. No abuse. We guarantee to work. And it is a nice camper, everybody. 2011 Forest River Cherokee. Retails at $18,450 and we have a special sale price $15,250. Inventory reduction sale, please give us a call and let us know what we can do to help. Thank you.